Hi everyone, welcome back to Beth's Best Hair. I'm so glad that you could join me. Tonight I am going to start off my short hair series. I have a series of 4 wigs to show you in short hair, trying a little bit something different. You all are used to seeing me in longer styles, and I just want to give you some inspiration. Maybe you want to try a short one. Maybe you always wear a short one and you want to see me put one on. Or maybe you want to try her on the weekends or on your work days. So I just want to give you some different options and different choices and show you the beautiful thing about wigs is we can wear whatever we want to wear. So I am going to start off this 4-part series of short hair with Casey. This is the Whisper Light Casey in SF 1026. And that is in Buttered Toast. As you may recall, this is Josie, and she is in SF 1228 Honey. I have a review video for Josie. I'll put the link up here if you guys want to check that out. But if you want to see me put on short hair, then you might want to stay and watch this video. She comes all packaged up just like this. Crisscross part in her netting. So I want to show you all the part here. It's your crisscross. So she has her permatease up here. As you can see, just a cute little short pixie. So let's look at the inside of her cap. Alright, so we have the soft velvet front. This is open wefting here but covered with this lace. So in here we have the permatease. On our sides, we have our open ear tabs with the bendy metal stay, all open wefting, nice and stretchy. And in the back, she is a regular nape, and of course, we have those Velcro adjusters that we all love. So, I'm going to go ahead and put her on. Alright, so here she is right out of the box. She is a shake and go style, as you can see, but I'm going to go ahead, put the stock photo up here. I'll throw some measurements over here and we'll just do a little side-by-side compare. Alright, so let's do a spin around so we can look at her from all sides. Alright, so she's a pretty easy breezy pixie. She is one of their #1 selling pixies. So if you guys saw the other video, I compared all their 5 pixie styles. They have her in different cap styles, but I just wanted to show you, I have the Rooted Euro in Tuscany Toast 1026 #6. So I just wanted to show you the color difference when you get a rooted. So as you can see, this has a deeper color to it because the rooting runs all the way through. And this one is the Rooted Euro, not the VersaFiber. So the fibers are the same here. So for this one, there's not really much that you have to do. I mean, you can just shake and go, put her on your head and go like this. And I think it's really cute. So I think, you know, we can just shake and go, obviously. And I always put it on my left side. But you could really part it on any side, as you can see. You know, it's pretty easy that way. Lots that you can do. I don't think I'm gonna root this one. I don't think it looks too bad as far as nesting goes, because I think you can just kind of fluff up the hairs there. And I don't think that you see the permatease, but there is permatease in here, but it's not a carpet of permatease. It's just enough that if you want to activate it, you can. You can get some lift. So, if you wanted to go crazy, I'm just kind of squeezing it a little bit. Then I could be like Pink. I'm coming up, so you better get this party started. Get this party started on a Saturday night. Do, 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 do. I think it's really cute. I know it's not my norm, but like I said, why not? Why can't we do what we want to do? So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys a few styling options with a pixie. So stay tuned.
All right, I'm going for the 40s pinup girl look with my scarf. What do you think? Rosie the Riveter? And a cute headband with a flower. Just a little extra pizzazz and flair. We're a headband extravaganza here. I think it really adds just a little something else. If you're going to work out or going jogging, that's cute. I've got this cute little sparkly barrette if you're going out. All right, let's do a few twists on top. Add my little claw clips. Again, all of my accessories are from the Dollar Tree. There, that's cute and fun. All right, I'm going for my Hollywood glam red carpet style and look like an artist. What do you think? I've got another pretty sparkly bobby pin, and that's just cute. A little Doris Day look for you. All right, we're going for the Madonna Papa Don't Preach. Glasses work perfectly with those open ear tabs. And just a couple more clips.
Hi. All right, so this is Colton. We realized that our hair is kind of the same, right?
Yeah, it is almost. Like, it is actually, like, the same.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah.
So, my little grandson and I are going to try to fix our hair the same. We're going to kind of spike it up, right?
Yeah.
We want to do, like, Rebel Yell Billy Idol, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, okay. It's just a little bit of mousse. So let's get a little bit of power lift here. Oh, yeah. Look at that. All right. Whoops. Did Grandma pull too hard? Here. So then I got a little bit of wax. Here, wait. Can I see you for a sec? You can close your eyes. Okay, let me do mine. All right, here we go. You're gonna put on Grandma. All right, so I'm gonna use a little bit of wax. Just a little bit. Okay.
What's the wax for?
That's for me, so I can spank it up. Oh, look. 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 All right. What do you think? Here, turn your head. Turn your head so we can see. There.
Hold on.
We're the same. Oh, are we doing a mohawk?
Yeah. Take my papa's comb.
Papa's comb?
Yeah.
Cool. It looks like a flock of seagulls. If you want to be punk rock, what do you think? Yeah, should we, what's our rock sign? Yeah. All right. Yeah. Say have a good night.
Have a good night. See you tomorrow.
All right. I love you. Isn't he cute? He's just my favorite little boy. All right. So I hope you guys like those styles. I'm just going to straighten this out a little bit. So this is a short retro pixie, but as you can see, you can do a lot of cute things with it. Also, I want to do a shout out. So my friend Linda, she is the Corseted Jewel Lady on Instagram and Facebook. And look at this pretty jewelry that she gifted me. This is Paparazzi Jewelry, and I have purchased from her. She does live sales on, I believe, Wednesdays and Saturdays, but double check her Facebook and her Instagram. Corseted Jewel Lady. I'll also link her Instagram below. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this first part of my 4-wig series of short hair and just giving you options, giving you ideas. Hopefully maybe inspiring you to try something new. I've been, like I said, just over a year wearing wigs, so I thought it was time to try something fun and something different, just another fun, easy option. So, thank you all so much, my subscribers. I love you all. You are absolutely wonderful, and I cannot thank you all enough. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like, press the notification bell, introduce yourself in the comments below because I want to say hi and I want to meet you. And if you have any questions, you can always email me or hop on over to the Paula Young Fan Club Facebook group and post on there. Everybody in that group is super helpful. They have a tab in there with albums on all different Paula Young styles. So it's just a Paula Young fan page, so just Paula Young wigs, but just a wonderful, wonderful group of people. So thanks again so much, and I hope to see you all very, very soon. Have a wonderful evening. Bye-bye.